Hi, I'm June Marie with Juneberry Cottage in Everett, Michigan, right on Main Street. So you'll have to stop in and check us out. I started to unpack these batiks and I thought you'd love to see them. So here we are. I'm showing you the batiks. This one here is a nice gray and taupe kind of a dot and would be a beautiful blender. All of these batiks are from Hoffman, by the way. Here is a coral with a purple floral on it and a little light in there. Makes me think of summer and nice clear summer nights. This one makes me think of coral, and it has a kind of a plum in there. There's a pink and some golden colors and a little bit of a dusty green. This one here, look at that. Doesn't that make you think of a northern forest, taking a walk in a state park? Yeah. Here's another beautiful print. It's a plum color with leaves from a golden yellow to kind of an orange, and it's lovely. Makes me think of coffee beans for some reason. I don't know. Oh, and I've had some talk about low volume batiks, how hard it is to get those. So I did get in a couple of those. This one tends toward the taupes. This one here is a rose kind of a print, and it is gray and a cream. This one here again, gray and cream, a little bit of blue in there. Not a lot, but a touch. Here's a beautiful green, which merely makes me think of summer and warm weather, which we're not getting yet. We're supposed to be in the 40s, but then drop. So it's coming. And then here's another beautiful leaf with a jadey kind of background, and it was fall when I ordered, so I think I fell in love with that at that time. But that's what I have. I didn't show them in any order. So if you can think of a project for these, let me know what you think. I also have some ideas, and I will be getting those together. I wanted to also mention this great little bag that I got. It has this nice color wheel on it to help you with your coloring choices. And then on the back, it has great references for mostly for quilt backs and miters and binding and different things like that. Sizes of quilts and a great retreat checklist. So whether it's a day retreat or a weekend retreat, I have something in mind there. I'll spill the beans later. Also, Berninas are on sale this month for 20% off. If you haven't sat down at a Bernina and tried it out, you don't know what you haven't tried out. They stitch great. I love it. And I've had a Bernina for 23 years. And I still love them. Also, they're 20% off. Their Burnett, the sister line, has a machine at 50% off. So normally $1,999. It's now $999 for the month of March. And it has the same interfacing as the Bernina. So you learn one, you can do the other, and just go. Great little machine. You can take to retreats or to classes or something when you don't want to take a larger machine. So stop in. It's a couple weeks left in March. Also for March 18th, National Quilting Month Day, I should say Worldwide Quilting Day, I'm going to do 30% off if you mention the video. It's my niece's birthday too. And my birthday's on the 21st, so I'm going to extend it to the 21st, I think. Yeah. So make sure you find joy in creating and keep on stitching, whether you like to do it by machine or by hand. And make sure you stop in, introduce yourself if you haven't been in before. Let me know where you're from. I love to connect where people are from. And I look forward to working with you and serving you. That's why I'm here. I'm here for you to give you what you need. So let me know. Thanks. Have a great day.